Carving a pumpkin for Halloween is a creative tradition that lets you add your own personality and flair to your home's seasonal decor. If you're looking to take your pumpkin carving skills to the next level, our USA-made Carbide Burr die grinder tool bits are the perfect solution for creating unique, eye-catching designs. When it comes to adding dynamic details like zigzag or wavy patterns, a conical Carbide burr is your best friend. Let's dive into how you can use these high-quality tool bits to achieve professional-looking results on your next pumpkin masterpiece. First, preparation is key. Start by selecting a pumpkin with a smooth, firm surface, as this will give you the best results when carving intricate patterns. Clean and dry your pumpkin thoroughly, then sketch your design lightly with a washable marker or pencil. Decide where you want your zigzag or wavy patterns. These can be around the pumpkin's edges, outlining facial features, or even forming the features themselves for a playful twist. Now, it's time to bring in the power of the die grinder, fitted with our precision-engineered conical Carbide burr. Made in the USA, these tool bits are designed for durability, sharpness, and consistent performance. The conical shape is especially effective for creating sharp angles and smooth curves, making it ideal for zigzag and wavy patterns. Hold your die grinder firmly with both hands for optimal control. Start at one end of your marked pattern, gently pressing the conical burr to the pumpkin surface. Move the tool along your guideline, allowing the burr to do the work. The Carbide burr's sharp edges will easily cut through the pumpkin's flesh, giving you crisp, clean lines that stand out. For zigzag patterns, alternate the direction of your cut, moving back and forth to create those distinct angular peaks and valleys. If you're going for a wavy look, use a fluid side-to-side motion to produce smooth, rolling curves. One of the advantages of using our Carbide burrs is their ability to handle both shallow surface etching and deeper carving. This versatility means you can control the depth of your zigzag or wavy grooves, adding dimension and layered effects to your design. For an extra dynamic appearance, try varying the depth and width of your cuts along the pattern. Deeper grooves will create stronger shadows when the pumpkin is lit, while lighter etching can add subtle highlights and texture. As you work, remember to keep the tool moving steadily. Avoid pressing too hard, as this can cause the burr to dig in too deeply or slip. The precision of our Carbide burrs means you can achieve detailed results without excessive force. If you want to add even more flair, consider combining zigzag or wavy borders with other techniques, like stippling or shading, to give your pumpkin a one-of-a-kind appearance. Once you've finished carving your zigzag or wavy patterns, clean up any loose debris with a soft brush or cloth. Step back and admire the lively, professional finish you've created, all thanks to the precision and quality of our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits. Whether you're a seasoned pumpkin artist or a beginner looking to impress, these tools will give you the power and control you need to make your vision a reality. If you enjoyed these tips and want to see even more creative ways to use our tools for your Halloween projects, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to leave your Halloween comments below. We'd love to hear about your pumpkin carving experiences and see what spooky or spectacular designs you come up with this season. Happy carving!